Okay, thank you. So, good morning, class. Are you happy to see me? Because I am happy to see you all. Are you doing fine today, or I am the one doing fine? Just kidding. So, I am happy to see you all for another fun and knowledgeable lessons and activities. Are you all excited? Very good. Okay, I love the energy. But before anything else, please, Miss Secretary of Record, to please write down those absent and hand it later to me after the discussion. Okay, so let's go back to our game. So, are you all excited? So, great. Our game is called Fact or Opinion Fitness, no? In this activity, I will divide you into 4 groups, and we will practice spotting the difference between facts and opinions. I will flash a short statement on the screen, and you have 10 seconds to decide if you think the statement is fact or an opinion. And once you make a decision, the exercise underneath your choice on the second slide. After 20 seconds, the answer will be revealed. No? Group members must cooperate because at the end of the activity, the group that gets a lot of points wins a prize. Are you all excited? Okay, very good. Okay, let's have fun. Now let's watch this.
Fact or opinion fitness. Bees make honey.
Okay, so did you have fun, class? Are you all motivated? Okay, great job, everyone. So in that case, let's move on into our proper discussion now. But before anything else, let's reflect first on what we need to achieve after this discussion. So let's read the learning objectives, everyone. Let's read it all in chorus. So at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to identify opinion marking signals in written and spoken communication, express personal opinions and beliefs clearly and confidently using appropriate opinion marking signals, show the ability to construct sentences that start with opinion marking signals, ensuring clarity and coherence in expressing opinions. So, is our learning objectives attainable, class? Okay, good to hear that. Now, before we proceed into our proper discussion, let's have a quick activity first, no? Our activity is called Let's Describe It. So, I have here a short video to watch, and I would like everyone to watch and observe silently and try to reflect on the video as well. So, are we clear? Okay. But before we watch the video, let me ask you all first. What factors do you think make a country the best place in the world to live? Okay, Mr. Felicia. Okay, great answer. How about you, Miss Ara? Okay, thank you for that. Another one. Have you ever thought about moving to another country? If so, which one and why? Okay, Mr. Sanlao. Okay, thank you for that answer. How about you, Mr. Ferzas? Okay, thank you very much. I love your answers. So, great job, class. Now, I can see that you are all ready to watch the video, so let's watch it.
What a beautiful day. Did you know Sweden was voted the best place in the world to live?
Sweden?
Okay, so let me ask you, why was Sweden voted the best place to live according to the video?
I read that it's really safe and clean.
Okay, Mr. Mallorca, what is your answer? I see that you really watch and observe the video. Okay, another one. What reasons are mentioned in favor of Canada being a great place to live? Ms. Glenda, do you have anything to add? Okay, thank you very much, Ms. Glenda. I see that you also watch and observe in our video. Okay, last. How does the speaker feel about the cost of living and food in Canada? Mr. Rizal. Okay, thank you for that wonderful answer. Good job, class. So, did you have fun watching the video? Do you have any clarification, questions about the video? Okay, if not, then let's proceed. So, I guess you really did observe. So I have a list of questions here, and I want everyone to answer it based on what you have watched. So I will give you 3 minutes to finish the task. Am I understood, class? Okay, so you have 3 minutes to finish the task. Time is up. Are you all done? Okay, pass your papers forward. Finish or not finish? So, from the video show, and in this slide, in my opinion, Canada seems like the best place to live. What did you observe on how the speakers express his opinion about the Canada? Okay, excellent observation, Mr. Alancas. No? So he is using, in my opinion, to express his opinion about the Canada, which is the best place to live. So how about in this line? The price of living in Sweden is also reasonable compared to the other countries in Europe. I think Canada is also pretty reasonable. So how did the speaker express his opinion about the price of living in Canada? Anyone? Any two? Okay, Miss Holo, what is your opinion about that? Alright, thank you very much, no? So, excellent observation, excellent answer. The speaker expressed his opinion using I think. So, great job, class. Now, have you noticed that the way the speakers express their opinion is just saying, in my opinion, I think, and etc. So, are you wondering what those words are called? Okay, those are opinion marking signals. So that will be our topic for today. No, opinion marking signals. Are you ready to dig deeper into our discussion for today's class? Wow, love the energy. So before we proceed to that, let's go back to our first topic, which is fact and opinion, diba? So let's have fact first. Let's know, no? Kailangan natin say fact. What is fact? So, these all read as fact is a statement that can be proven to be true or false through evidence or research. So, si fact di ay kaya ano siyang ma-ilhan is through evidences, no? It can be proven through evidence. So, facts are objective and not influenced by opinions or beliefs. So, for example, from the activity, I read that it's really safe and clean. No, ingat si speaker number 1 kanina. So this is a fact because safety and cleanliness can be measured using data such as crime rates and environmental reports. So another one is winter is cold. Nah, naman to sa speaker kanina, winter is cold. This is also a fact because Canada is known for its cold winters, which can be verified by its weather records. So, did you understand the fact, class? Okay, so now let's find out what is opinion, no? It's all written Opinion refers to personal beliefs. They tell about how someone feels or thinks. So, kaugalingon na to siyang tinuuhan. Diba? So, their opinions is influenced by a person's experiences, background knowledge, emotions, and preferences. So, others may agree or disagree with opinions, but they may not prove or disapprove them. So, for example, in the activity, in my opinion, Canada seems like the best place to live. So, this is an opinion because it expresses personal preference and cannot be universally proven. So, let's have another example para magsabot kita ang sa opinion. The food is quite tasty too. So, ano si speaker number 2 ganina na the food is quite tasty too. So, it is an opinion because taste is subjective and depends on individual preferences. So, ang panglasa sa tao, nagadepende na siya sa tao. So, it's my discussion about the fact and opinion. Understandable, class? Okay. So, then can you give me an example about fact and opinion? Just one of each. Isa-isa lang. Okay, Miss Ganson, do you have an example for opinion? Okay, thank you very much. Well, how about you, Miss Busmian? Do you have anything to add about fact? Okay, thank you for that wonderful answer. I see that you are really listening to me. So, now, to widen your knowledge about our topic, I have here an essay written by Pramuidya Ananta Tuwar. So, it shares his opinion about the earth of mankind. So, can you please read, everyone? I will flash it on the screen. Okay, so what type of text is this, class? Is it formative or informative? Okay, yes, you're right, Mr. Felicia, it is formative. Now, very good. So what did you notice about the different opinions expressed by the writer in the essay? No? They are using, in my opinion, I believe, in my view, moreover, and it seems to me. So that's how they express their opinions. So have you noticed the bold words that introduce the opinion statements in the essay? Na be bold yung letters sa essay. Okay. So what do you think it is? Okay, great job. Great answer, Mr. Boss. It is clearly an opinion marking signal. So when we share our opinions, we started by saying, okay, I believe, in my opinion, personally, and etc. So these are opinion marking signals. They're phrases that help us clearly state our opinions and make it clear that we're sharing our own thoughts. No? Think of them like a signpost that they tell others that this is my opinion. It is my opinion. So we have here types and examples of opinion marking signals. We have the introductory signals, the personal experience signals, hedging signals, and modal signals. So in the introductory signals, so it's very understandable, no? So when we share our opinion and we use in my opinion, it is a introductory signal because it introduces personal views or your opinions. So when you share opinion through your personal view, it is an introductory signal. So personal experience signals, it is a shared individual experiences or perspectives. So here are the examples: personally, in my experience, and etc. Another opinions because it is their opinion. So they will use in my view, and that is a hedging signal. And lastly, we have the modal signals. So modal signals express degrees of certainty or possibility. So here are the examples. I'm sure, I'm certain, I'm likely, I'm possible, I'm unlikely. So for example, I feel happy about being a Filipino. So sentence A uses the opinion marking signal I feel, no? As you can see, it tells about a personal feeling towards being a Filipino. So this is the speaker used personal experience signals because it tells about her personal feeling towards being a Filipino. And now, let's have letter B. It seems that Filipinos have strong family ties. So in the sentence B, the opinion marking signals used is it seems. So it seems is a hedging signals. Hedging signals class because this phrase gives an idea that opinion is expressed in a less assertive or forceful way. Now let's have the last one. From what I know, Filipinos are popular for being hospitable. Now the opinion marking signal used in sentence C is from what I know. No? This is also a personal experience signals. And it's because this statement shows that the speaker is expressing an opinion based on background knowledge. Now, I would love to hear from some of you because I know that you understand our discussion. So, do you have any idea? Or can you give me an example and identify what kind of opinion marking signals did you use in your example, Miss Veronas? Okay, very good, Miss Veronas. Another hand, Miss Casona. Okay, thank you very much. Good job. Now, did you really understand the discussion, class? Okay, did I deliver it clearly? If then, let's proceed to our next activity. Our next activity is called Finish or Not Finish. So in this activity, you will be filling in the blanks with the appropriate opinion marking signals from the box provided. You provide the box there, magkuha mo og answer. So after completing the sentences, identify what type of opinion marking signals have been used in each sentences. So is my instructions clear, class? Okay, very good. Now, oh yes, this is an individual activity. Okay, I will give you 3 minutes to finish the task. You may start now. Okay, time's up. It's time to pass the papers, pass it forward. Finish or not finish? Okay, I see that you really listen and understand our discussion today. Let's give ourselves a barangay clap. Okay, so remember class, opinion marking signals are phrases that helps us clearly state our opinion and make it clear that we're sharing our own thoughts. So we're up now to our last activity, which is called Follow My Lead, Finish My Sentence. So in this activity, students will work in groups and each group will have 5 representatives standing in front. No? The goal is to create a complete sentence word by word, with each representative contributing 1 word at a time. And the sentence must always begin with an opinion marking signals, and each group will only have 30 seconds to complete the sentence. So, is my instruction clear, class? Any clarification about the instruction? None? And okay, so may I have the representative of group 1 to stand here in front and present? And I will give you 30 seconds to create your sentence. So your time starts now. Okay, excellent performance, group 1. You deserve an A clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, A. Okay, now let's have the group 2. Okay, how about the representative of group 3? Come here in front and I'll give you 30 minutes to remain the sentence. Your time starts now. Okay, very good job, group 3. You deserve a rainbow clap. Okay, amazing performance, everyone. Give yourself a butterfly clap because you did your best today. Okay, so I guess that would be all our discussion today. And I believe everyone understand our discussion. So we have an assignment, no? So our assignment is research a short formative essay and underline the opinion marking signals and identify the type of opinion marking signals used. Write it down on a 1/4 sheet of paper. So today's a wrap, everyone. Always remember that opinion marking signals help us avoid sounding uncertain or unsure of ourselves. So I guess that would be all. But before we end our discussion, let's have our closing prayer first. May I request Mr. Sanlao to lead the prayer? Amen. So thank you very much. Thank you and goodbye, class. I am happy to cooperate with you all. See you in our next meeting.